praises and thanks be to Almighty Creator, who is the owner of the whole world, and by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. I welcome all of you with regards Assalamu alaikum. Peace and mercy of Allah be upon you. Blessing and peace be upon the messenger of Lord and the companions of the messenger of Almighty. Honorable Chairman Mr. Firozalom, Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Oliullah, Honorable Principal K.M. Imam Hussain Al-Fahmi, Honorable Vice Principal Mr. Nizamuddin, Honorable Teachers Mr. Saiful Islam Jihad, Mr.